Welcome, cuz. How's it going over there? We got some green thumb happening in here, and we are spring. And as I look over here, we have some blueberry. And the inspector, the boss here, is gonna.
Nice green.
Oh, there we
It's
go.
coming, see?
We got some green in there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we have to
This
clean
one's
this up.
trimmable, and this one's trimmable, but this one's still green, so we're good.
Yeah.
This one's coming up green, see?
Look at this big one over here. What is
Yeah,
that?
this is another blueberry.
Yeah.
It's just grown a lot bigger than this one.
Okay, what's over there? You have
These
some green
are my
something.
strawberries.
Check that out.
Hidden underneath all the mulch. They're growing again. They're getting big.
Yeah, we need to run to the
Boisterous.
supply store and get some stuff here.
Yeah.
There's a rhubarb in there right about there somewhere, cuz.
Poop. We need sheep poop.
Yeah, some sheep.
Poop.
Okay, yeah, we get that at the local store there.
Yep.
All right, cuz.
Yeah, well, we could stop at Cuz Farm and just hang a bag off the back of the sheep.
There we go.
Get the bread stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll bag his sheep on him.
Yeah.
All right, what do you got going over here, cuz?
Well,
You got some weed going in here somewhere, don't you?
Yeah, I got
Hmm.
rows of some vegetables that are
So-
going to be growing in here, back where the tiller here, because you see is.
Oh, okay.
So there'll be 3 different rows of
Perfect.
vegetables.
Yeah, that's just a little garden anyways, right? That's all you need, eh, cuz?
And then our standard, as the government says we can, this will be our 4 plants. Our 4 weed plants.
Yeah, the happy plants, yeah.
Gorilla Glue is this year's surprise.
Oh, mixed with banana and cocktail?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay,
Yes,
so
we
we
make our own food.
best to take some leaves out of there, send it to the composter.
If you'd like to,
And when you plug me in, I will get that thing going, cuz. And then you can put your headphones on and you can start a little bit back there, trim that up, and I will catch up to you. And we will be right back after this commercial.